A box contains sweets of 6 different flavors. So as an example, I have given you the 6 flavors here. As you see, you have cotton candy, crushed pineapple, pepper, vanilla, apple and island punch. So they are saying there are at least 2 sweets of each flavor. So the minimum number of sweets I could have in the box is 12. Unnecessary information. A girl selects 3 sweets from the box. Okay, maybe the girl is selecting pineapple, pepper, vanilla. Given that these 3 sweets are not of the same flavor. Oh, it means what cannot happen? It means she cannot do this scenario. She cannot go and take everything to be green apple flavor. She can take all different flavor. This is allowed. Or she can have 2 of the same flavor. As an example, you see here I am selecting island punch flavor, but I am taking 2 sweets of the same flavor. So 2 different flavor where one flavor is being repeated. Then only you can get the 3 sweets. Now the question say, hey, can you go and calculate the number of different ways she can select her 3 sweets? Okay, that's what we want. So how would you do? How would you do? So for the first case here, let's label this as case 1. Isn't this simple? What I am going to do is I am just going to choose any 3 different flavor. Okay, you can see here. So that's written as 6 choose 3. I have 6 flavor. I go and select any 3 flavor. That will give us 20 ways of selecting the 3 sweets. Okay. Read this with me. Do make sense that by choosing a flavor, you are actually selecting that one sweet. So selecting 3 flavor is simply selecting 3 sweets. Now let's go to the case 2. What is our case 2? Our case 2 is I want to select 2 flavor. So you look at this. What flavor am I choosing here? I am choosing island punch and the pepper. Then I know that I need 3 sweet. After selecting 2 flavor, then I can, in this case, I am picking 2 island punch sweets and 1 Dr. Pepper. Or what is the other scenario? Maybe you can go and select 1 from here, only 1 from here. And then you take 2 of this. It's 2 flavor, but I am getting 3 sweets. Can you see this? So how do I write that? So in that case, I'm going to do 6 flavor. Choose any 2 flavor. So I know selecting 2 flavors must give me 3 sweets. So in that case, I will multiply it by 2. Okay, if you are not seeing, let me show in detail. You know the answer, the final answer is going to be 50 ways. You take your case 1, you add with the case 2 because it's option, this or that. Okay. So those who don't understand, I hope this tells you what is the meaning of 6 choose 3. Can you see? 6 choose 3, we got 20, right? So these are the different ways of selecting 3 different flavor. I select a flavor that indicates this is my sweet 1, sweet 2, sweet 3. See, all of these are different flavor. So the flavor 1 that you selected, it's exactly your sweet 1. The flavor 2 is exactly your sweet 2. The flavor 3 is exactly your sweet 3. Okay. Now let's go to the case of 6 choose 2. We got 15 ways. So what I have done, I have selected the flavor. This is my flavor 1 and flavor 2. But in reality, I know I need sweet 1, sweet 2 and sweet 3. So this space here is still missing. What could go into this? Maybe crushed pineapple. Maybe cotton candy. Can you see the meaning of the multiplication by 2 earlier? Okay. This is the meaning of the 2.